Have you ever been working in Excel, typing numbers or formulas, and suddenly noticed a tiny green triangle in the corner of a cell? And you're like, is my spreadsheet broken? Why is Excel bothering me? Well, that little green marker actually means something important. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, why it appears, and how to fix it step by step. First things first, what is this tiny green triangle? It's Excel's way of saying, hey, there might be a potential issue in this cell. Think of it like a warning flag. Not always a real error, but something Excel wants you to double check. So what triggers these green flags? Here are the most common causes. A number stored as text, this is the most common one. A formula that omits adjacent cells, inconsistent formulas compared to the rest of the column, or a simple typo in a function name. Now let's go through 4 clear examples so you can see it in action. Example 1. Numbers stored as text. Alright, first example. Select the cells C5 to C7. Go to Number Format. Choose Text. Now type some sales numbers inside those cells. Next, try to calculate the total. In another cell, type equals sum of C5 to C7. But notice the sum doesn't work correctly. Why? Because those numbers are stored as text, not real numbers. That's exactly why the green triangle appears. How to fix it? Select the cell with the green triangle. Click the yellow warning icon, choose Convert to Number, and just like that, Excel fixes the formatting instantly. Example 2. Formula omits adjacent cells. If I double-click the Sum cell, you'll notice something important. We forgot to include cell F7 in the total. That's why Excel shows the green triangle. It's warning you that your formula might be missing an adjacent cell. How to fix it? Click the warning icon. You'll see Formula omits adjacent cells. Select Update Formula. Excel updates the sum to include the missing cell. Example 3. Inconsistent formulas. Here, we're calculating the gap between years. First line, J5 minus I5. Second line, J6 minus I6. But then, on the third line, we accidentally used a different pattern, like J7 minus I8. So Excel flags it with the green triangle because the formula doesn't match the others. How to fix it? Click the yellow warning icon, choose Inconsistent Formula. Excel helps you correct it to match the pattern above. Typo in the formula name. Last example. Instead of typing sum, I typed sim. Excel doesn't recognize that function, so it shows an error like invalid name error. Fix, edit the formula, replace sim with sum. Press enter. Done. Now, let's be real. Sometimes Excel is wrong. For example, maybe you have ID numbers that start with zeros, like 007. Excel hates that. It wants to turn it into just 7, but you need those zeros. So, if you know your data is correct, you can simply click the cell, click the yellow warning icon, choose Ignore Error, and the green triangle disappears. Now, if you're an advanced user or you just find these triangles super distracting, you can disable background error checking completely. Here's how. Go to File, Options, click the Formulas tab, find the section called Error Checking, uncheck Enable Background Error Checking, and click OK. And that's it. No more green triangles anywhere. Just remember, if you make a real mistake later, Excel won't warn you. So there you have it. The green triangle isn't your enemy. It's just a helpful assistant that sometimes gets a little confused. Whether you use it to fix formatting or you choose to silence it forever, now you're in control. If this tutorial saved you a headache, hit subscribe because I've got tons more Excel tips coming to help you go from zero to hero. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.